बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज केमिस्ट्री के 90 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज मैंने आपसे शेयर करने हैं। अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कर लें। बाकी मैं आपको सारे पेपर्स के गैस भी शेयर करता हूँ और ये भी उसी सिलसिले की एक कड़ी है। तो चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है, इन फेरस सल्फेट वैलेंसी ऑफ आयरन इज। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है +2, ऑप्शन ए। 29.25 ग्राम ऑफ सोडियम क्लोराइड हैज मोल्स। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है 0.25। तीसरा, वैलेंसी ऑफ आयरन इन Fe2SO4 थ्राइस इज। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है 3, ऑप्शन सी। नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इन 6 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर आर। करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी 0.33। विच वन इज नॉट ट्राइएटॉमिक। हाइड्रोजन H2 is not triatomic, option C. Which one is empirical formula of benzene? CH is the empirical formula of benzene. 8 gram of carbon dioxide has moles 0.18. Mass of one molecule of water is 18 AMU. Which one is polyatomic molecule? C6H6, option D. Which one is the most abundant element in the earth's crust is oxygen. Which one of the following is heterogeneous mixture? Milk of magnesia is the mixture of heterogeneous. Empirical formula of hydrogen peroxide is HO. Industrial chemistry deals with the manufacturing of compounds on commercial scale. The third abundant gas in the atmosphere is argon. Maximum electron in L shell are 8. Who discovered neutron? Chadwick discovered neutrons. Maximum electron in M shell are 18. Who presented concept of orbit in atom? Bohr presented concept of orbit. Who discovered proton? Goldstein discovered proton. Which shell consists of 3 subshells? M shell consists of 3 subshells. How many stable isotopes carbon has? To 3. U-235 breaks and produce neutrons. Which scientist put forward plum pudding theory? J.J. Thomson is the correct option. Helium nuclei among these is alpha particle. Deuterium is used to prepare heavy water. Which one is a non-polar molecule? Water is the non-polar molecule, H2O. Number of covalent bonds in C2H4 are 6. How many triple covalent bonds are in C2H2 molecule? So this is 1. NH3 and BF3 has a dative covalent bond. Which atom is acceptor? Hydrogen is acceptor. How many electrons triple bond has? So there are 6 electrons in triple bond of. Number of electrons in bond pair electron, तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है A1. Which type of bond HF has? Polar covalent bond. Which one is not soluble in water? C6H6 is not soluble in water. Which pair of molecules that have same type of covalent bond? So O2 and C2H4. The bond is formed by mobile electrons, so that is metallic bond. Which compounds are found in crystalline form? Ionic compounds. Number of electrons participated in single covalent bond. इसका correct option है 2. Transfer of electron between atoms result in which type of bond? Ionic bond. Which of the following is the weakest force? Intermolecular force is the weakest force. Bond formed between two non-metals is covalent bond. Which pair of the following has a polar covalent bond to H2O and HCl? Octet rule is attaining of 8 electrons. Which one came effect boiling point? To initial temperature is the correct option. At freezing point, which one coexist at equilibrium? Solid and liquids. In evaporation, only those molecules evaporates having very high energy. Blood pressure of normal human being is 120/80 mmHg. Which one is not amorphous solid? Rubber is not. Vapor pressure increased by increasing temperature. Densities of gases are represented in units gm/dm 3. How many times liquids are denser than gases? 1000 times. Process of conversion of vapors into liquids upon cooling is known as melting. Water has a high boiling point because of strong intermolecular forces. Charles presented his Charles law in 1662. Option B is the correct option. ये लगा नहीं हुआ. The scale of temperature in Kelvin scale starts from minus 273 degrees. The equation Boyle's law is K is equal to PV. Absolute temperature scale was introduced by Kelvin. Fourth and fifth period of long form of periodic table are called long periods. Pick out the correct statement about electron affinity. It is measured in kg per mole. Which of the following halogen has the least electronegativity? So iodine is the correct option. Fluorine has electronegativity 3.2. A long period, which of the following decrease? Atomic radius decrease. Long form of periodic table is based upon atomic numbers. The longest period of periodic table is 6. Long form of periodic table has groups 18. Atomic radii of element in periodic table, it increase in group. All transition elements are correct option. Option A, metals. Number of elements in first period is 2. Basis of Mendeleev periodic table is atomic mass. Horizontal lines of elements are called periods. Number of elements in fourth period are 18. Which one is noble gas? Helium is the noble gas. Which one of the following belongs to F block elements? ये देख लीजिएगा, यहाँ लगा नहीं हुआ. H. Moseley discovered atomic number in 1913. Molarity is the number of moles of solute dissolved in dm cube of solution. When a saturated solution is diluted, it turns into unsaturated solution. If 10 cm cube of alcohol is dissolved in 100 gram of water, it is called V over W percentage. Tyndall effect is due to scattering of light. Which one of the following is heterogeneous mixture? Milk of magnesia, ये पहले भी आया. Mist is an example of liquid in gases. इसका ऑप्शन यहाँ नहीं है, तो ये liquid in gas ऑप्शन आना था, यहाँ नहीं है. Brass in solid solution of these two metals, ये भी लगा नहीं हुआ, ये भी देख लीजिएगा. The simplest way to distinguish between solution and liquid is evaporation. It shows negligible effect of change in temperature on solubility. तो इसका ऑप्शन है सोडियम क्लोराइड. Concentration is ratio solute to solution. If solute forces are strong enough than those of solute solvent forces, then it does not dissolve. Which of the following solution contains more water? 0.25 m. Oxidation number of an element in free state is 0. In which cell spontaneous chemical reaction take place? Galvanic cell. Formation of water and H2 and O2 is type of reaction, redox reaction. Na is reactive metal, but it does not react with N. Which metal burn in air with reddish flame? Ca. Which halogen is least electronegative? तो I is the correct option. ये 91 MCQs थे, दी मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट मैंने आपसे शेयर किए हैं. कुछ के नहीं भी आंसर लगे हुए, एक दो ही हैं, वो आप ज़रा देख लीजिएगा. तो इसके बाद आपसे जो MCQs के अलावा शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन भी मैं आपसे इंशाल्लाह लाजमी शेयर करूँगा. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक करें. थैंक यू सो मच.